This right here is a Steam Deck dock. It's a bit expensive for what it is, but let's take a look at it. It comes quite nicely packaged with plastic wrap and in this cardboard box. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. I like the design. It's not too out there, but it still looks pretty nice. And on the top, connect your dock with the official Steam Deck logo. On the inside, under this flap, you're greeted immediately with the dock itself. Looks quite nice. It's hard plastic with the Steam Deck logo at the top. All the ports on the back. You can see like a rubberized material on the bottom where the Steam Deck actually goes. And yeah, it looks quite nice. There's also like a right-angled USB Type-C port which goes into the top of the Steam Deck. Let's take a look at the rest. There's a wall charger in the bottom of the box, which, considering this retails for about, I don't know, $20–30 on its own, this is pretty good value. And then you have a manual as well. So let's put this all to one side and take a closer look at the dock. As I said before, the Steam Deck logo on top. There's nothing too much on the bottom, it's rubberized. And here are the ports. So you have a display port, HDMI, USB Type-C, Ethernet, and 3 USB ports, which would come in quite handy if you wanted to plug in anything like an external mouse or a keyboard or anything like that. Now let's take a look at how it works with the Steam Deck itself. So this is how it looks with the Steam Deck in. You can just plug the Type-C port right at the top. Fits quite snugly. It looks pretty good. All the ports at the back are exposed quite nicely. It's good. I think it's pretty good. It seems quite solid. It does seem to wobble a tiny bit, but it's not too bad. So this is something I forgot to mention before, but the Type-C port on the back is purely used for power, and that's it. And now we come to the elephant in the room, the price. Is the Steam Deck dock, the official one from Valve, really worth the price of a quarter of the Steam Deck? I.e., is it worth 25% of the price of the Steam Deck? Probably not. The good thing is it comes with firmware from Valve directly, and that firmware is going to be updated with time. But you could very easily just get something that costs half as much as this. Something from like JSOX or Ivola or something. They're going to perform basically the same. At the end of the day, it's just like a glorified USB hub with either HDMI or DisplayPort out. The one good thing with this one is it comes with the ability to output to more than one display at the same time. I mean, I highly doubt anyone is actually going to be using that functionality, so whether or not it's worth it is really entirely up to you. That being said, I'll try to do a deep dive soon, comparing all the various Steam Deck dock options and figure out which one is best for you. Stay tuned for that. In the meantime, here's my Steam Deck unboxing. Take a look, and I'll catch you next time.